See, whenever I'm talking about Jenkins, actually, we need to understand whenever I'm talking about CI/CD. I'm not talking about Jenkins. Whenever I'm talking about CI/CD, we need to understand two aspects, as I said. One is continuous integration, means whatever the source code we have, those are going to continuous integration. Integrate means continuous artifact will be generated. Means this comes under build process. This is our build process or integration process. If I say in terminology of CI, so this is my integration process. But there is one more thing we need to understand is there is one process that is called CD. Here we need to understand about delivery or deployment. Delivery or what we need to understand about delivery or deployment here. Thing here is, see, we understood how to generate the artifact process of generating the artifact in Jenkins. Jenkins is, this CI/CD tool. So we understood what is continuous integration, continuous delivery or deployment. But here you need to understand in Jenkins is a plugin based tool. Means plugin based tool. Here what you can do. So whatever you want to perform, we need to install the plugin there and we will be able to deliver the task. But before that, after that, what we need to know, we need to understand about the delivery process actually first.